Good afternoon, students. Our next topic is the Charms bar. The Charms bar is a toolbar that lets you access your computer's setting. So it is a type of toolbar through which you can access your computer's setting along with other options, and some other options are also present in Charms bar. You can access the Charms bar by hovering the mouse in the top right or bottom right corner. If you take the pointer of your mouse in the top right corner or in the bottom right corner, then this Charms bar will appear. Okay, it contains several icons which are called charms, and each one contains different options, and the Charms bar contains several icons. Okay, and these icons are called charms, and each one contains different options. Okay, and there are different options in each charms. So student, this is your Charms bar. Okay, in this many options are there. Here this is search option, this is share option, this is Windows option. Okay, many options are there. First is search option. Search option, this first is search option. Okay, this is search option, this is share option, this is start option, this is connect device option, and this is computer setting option. Okay, so these are the options present in Charms bar. First, search option. The search charm lets you find apps, files, or settings on your computer. With the help of this search charm, you can find any app, file, or setting on your computer. Share. The share charm is a copy and paste feature. It allows you to copy information and paste into another app. With the help of this share option, you can copy paste the information into the another app. Okay, next is start option. This switches to the start screen if you already on the start screen. If you are already on the start screen, it will open the most recent app. With the help of this start button, start charm, you can switch to the start screen if you are working in another app. If you are already on the start screen, then it will open the most recent app. Okay, Next, devices. It shows the devices connected to the computer. If you click on devices button, it will show you the connected device to the computer. Next, setting. This helps to change the settings on your computer. With the help of this setting charm, you can change your settings on the computer. You can also shut down or restart your computer. Okay, with the help of this setting charm, you can shut down or restart your computer. Now, working with start screen apps. How to work on start screen apps. Start screen apps fill the entire screen instead of opening in a window. When start screen will appear, that time it will fill the entire screen of the monitor. Okay, instead of opening a window, it will not open a window, but it will fill the screen of your monitor. However, you can still open two apps side by side. With the start screen app, you can open two apps. Okay, side by side means together. To open an app, follow these steps. Okay, first, on the start screen, locate and click the app. If you are on the start screen, just locate and click on the app, weather app. Okay, you want to open. After going on the start screen, you can click the app you want to open in your computer. Next, the app will open and fill the entire screen, and that app will open and fill the entire screen of your computer. To close an app, follow these steps, and to close these apps, you can follow these steps. Hover the mouse at the top of the app. Just take the pointer of your mouse at the top of the app. The title bar is displayed. Choose the close button and just click on the close button to close these apps. Using the app search. To search for a file or app, follow these steps. And to search the files or folders, you just click on the app search. On the start screen, click the search button, type the file or app name. Your search result will instantly appear below the search bar. Okay, click the app that you want. The app will open. After searching it, your search result will come on your screen, and just click on that app whichever you were searching, then it will open. Now, closing Windows 8.1. How to close Windows 8.1. When you finish your work, you should always shut down your computer. After completing your work or finishing your work, you have to shut down your computer. Follow these steps to close the or shut down the computer. First, close all the running apps. You just quit the running apps on which you were working. Take your mouse pointer to the upper lower right edge of the screen to open the charms bar. Okay, to open the charms bar, you just take the pointer of your mouse to the upper or lower right edge of the screen. Okay, then charms bar will appear. Click on the setting option in the charms bar and click the setting option of the charms bar. Next, click the power button and then click the power button. A pop-up menu will appear. After clicking on the power button, a pop-up menu will appear. Click shutdown, the computer will shut down. And when you click on the shutdown button, then your computer will shut down. Now students, this is all about Windows 8.1. Our second chapter is also finished. Later I will send you the question answers and exercises of this chapter. Thank you.